Alright guys, welcome to another lesson of today. If this is your first time watching my video, I want you to click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notification button so you don't miss out any of my video. Okay, anytime I post a new video, you're going to be the first person to watch. Okay, so today I want to show you one of the Sammy guitar's favorite licks. He do applies in his playing. I know so many of you might know Sammy guitar, but there's this one licks I really like about him whenever he played. So I just want to show you today. You can apply it in your soloing, in your gospel or in your worship songs and your improvisations. Okay, so for today I'll be doing the lick in the key of C. Okay, so this is C. Another inversion for C is here. Okay, so the lick there is one of his favorite licks. He normally uses something like so what am I playing there? I'm starting from the Re, but this is the Do. Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, 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 Mi. And this is the Mi, Re, Re, Va, Re, Va, Re, Re, Va, Re, Mo, Mi. The same thing like the second one, the second version there is La do la do la do la do ti. Okay, just like your 6, your 1 note, your 6, and your flat 7. Your flat 7, you can call your sharp 6 to your 7. Okay, and you slot it from your La, La, Do, La, So. Then you move on to the next octave. Re, Re, Va, you play the same. Okay. Okay, so this is the whole thing. Okay, so work on that, and like I said earlier, keep on the subscribe buttons on and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on my video each and every time I post a new video. Okay, so work on that. Thanks for watching. Bye.